Welcome parents. This video is to help you see all of the resources available on this website. All of the resources are designed with you in mind. They're your students and they're your students' teachers. So all the resources are really for you. Let's start with what our students have. Students can watch a video that will help them to navigate the website on their own for the resources that are just for them. There are 3 videos that will be up every week, a commercial for the book of the week. There will be a featured YouTube video that we will do as part of series, and as well as the Makerspace featured video. These will also be a part of a series, but they will be corresponding to whatever our Makerspace project is for that month, which you can also see down here. This will, of course, be changing every month, but I do want to point out that there will be different activities for the older students and the younger students. So we want to make sure that all students are included in our Makerspace project of the month. Students also can participate in a forum on Padlet, and here they can comment about the book of the week and give the book a grade. I will be monitoring the comments to make sure that everything there is appropriate for all students. They also will have a question of the week that goes along with our featured video. And you can email me their answer, or they can write their answer down. Either way, they'll be entered in for a drawing if they have the question correct. Next, we have the teachers' resources. Just to give you a brief glimpse into what they have. We believe every student has the right to learn in an appropriate manner, so they have resources on accessibility. And these resources are of course all available to you. And there's also an introductory video for that goes into greater detail about these particular resources. They also have resources available to them for their specific content areas. So we have our social studies, our science, our math, and our English. All have extra resources there, and please feel free to utilize those as well as you're working with your students. They also have the schedule for the week that they can look at, and they can email me if they have any questions about that. And finally, we have our specific resources page. We have our online catalog. Then we have our resources for digital citizenship, which I strongly encourage you to look through these resources with your students, as it's so important for students to be digitally literate in our society today. We also have resources for the students in math and science. These are all fun games that can help build their math and science skills, but it's not the same as when they're in school and they're having lessons. These are more fun and encourages them to learn even more outside of school. Building those skills even when they're not in school is so important. And of course, we have resources available for social studies and English as well. So I hope you will encourage your student to build all of their skills outside of school and not just let learning end at the school door. So thank you so much for watching our tutorial for parents through our school's website. Thank you so much.